Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving FUNBOX ScriptKiddie from VulnHub. This is a beginner-friendly CTF machine where the main focus is recognizing an old backdoor in the FTP service. I'll go step by step explaining why I am running each command, and finally we get the root flag. You can download this machine from here. I have already downloaded and configured and my machine is running. First, we need to find the target IP address. For that, we can run multiple commands such as net discover. We can run arp-scan-l. Also, we can run nmap-sn. Our local subnet. I already know my target machine IP address. Now we will do port scanning by using nmap. -p stand for scanning all ports. -sv stand for service version, and -sc stand for using default script. Port scanning is important because it reveals which service are running and what versions they are using. Here we can see port number 21 is open, service running is FTP. Port number 22, service running is SSH. Port number 25, service running is SMTP. Port number 80, service running is HTTP. Port number 110, service running is POP3. Port number 139, service running is NetBIOS. Port number 143, service running is IMAP. And lastly, we have port number 445, service running is NetBIOS. So we will start with port number 80. I will copy this IP address and let's paste it in the browser. I need to configure my host file. You can do this by running the command gedit or any editor you can use, vi or vim /etc/host. Target IP address followed by DNS. Let's run the command whatweb to find out what technology it is built on. We can see that it is running on WordPress. Let's run the tool WP scan. Let's enumerate user. Now we have identified one username. I will give the word list for password to brute force. In this machine, the WordPress is just a part of distraction. The real vulnerability lies in FTP service, which we have discovered in code scanning. Now let's talk about Pro FTPD 1.3.3c. This version is infamous because in late 2010, attacker insert a backdoor in the official source code. This means if a server is running this version, you can send special command to the FTP service and execute arbitrary code directly, often with root privileges. So our target path is clear. Exploit ProFTPD to get a shell. Let's fire up our MSF console. Metasploit already has a ready-made exploit module for this ProFTPD backdoor. We can search it by running the command search and ProFTPD. Now I will use the command use 0, or else you can type the use and this full path. Both will do. Show options. We need to set our host. We will set our payload. We will set L host, that is Kali machine IP address. Also, we will set L port. Now I will run the command exploit. After running the exploit, I instantly get a shell. Let's confirm. And as you can see, I am already root. That because the backdoor run commands with root privileges. Now that we are root, we just need to capture the flag. Let's go in our root directory, ls. Now we will cat this root.txt, and here the root flag which complete the challenge. Let's summarize what we did. First, we have discovered the target IP with multiple tools. Second, we have done scan all ports and identify ProFTPD 1.3.3c. Recognized that this version is backdoor. Used Metasploit to exploit the backdoor and get a root shell. And lastly, we have captured the root flag. The key takeaway here is always pay attention to service versions. Even if a service looked normal, a specific version could be vulnerable or even backdoored, like in this case. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please hit like, subscribe and share. And let me know in the comments if you like me to do more VulnHub machines. Thanks for watching.